Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing of the latest offering from Oppo in India, the Oppo A52. So Oppo A52 was announced a few days back, and this device retails for a price of 16,990, that's almost 17,000 rupees. And this device comes with quite good hardware. It has a punch hole camera, then it also comes with 6GB and 128GB storage. It has Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 octa-core processor. Then you get a 6.5 inches full HD plus resolution display, and you get 5000 mAh capacity battery along with 18-watt fast charger. So that's the device. So that's the highlight of the device. So let's see the box package. You can see that 6GB RAM and 128GB storage mentioned here. The back of the box mentions the main highlighting specifications: 1080p Neo display, AI quad cameras, 5000 mAh capacity battery, and 18-watt fast charger. We have the Twilight Black variant, and this is the 6GB RAM and 128GB internal storage. Now if you are interested in the SAR value, you can see the SAR value as well. So there you go, you can see the SAR value of this device: 1.02 head SAR and 0.58 is a body SAR, and you get 9V 2A, that's 18-watt fast charging supported out of the box. So that's the device. So let's open the box package. So let's just peel off this, and then we'll see. You can see this is another color available. This is the blue color available. So let's just tear this and taking the device out. So there you go. You get a case here. So this is the case which is included with the box package. So it's a standard TPU case included. Then you get the manual and warranty information. So this is the manual, and then you also get the SIM ejector pin included. So warranty and everything is there. Then you have the Oppo A52. So that's the Oppo A52. So you can see here everything is mentioned once again here. So let's come back to the device in a while. So you get earphone included. The standard earphone is included with the box package, which is quite good. Most of the brands now ship without the earphone. Now Oppo has shipped it with the earphone. Now you get the USB Type-C port and the charging cable here. Then we have the 18-watt fast charger from Oppo. So this is the 18-watt fast charger from Oppo. You can see that 9V 2A. So that's all inside the box. Now let's have a look at the device. So that's the Oppo A52. So you can see here quad camera setup and LED flash neatly arranged here. It has a primary 12 megapixel camera. Then we have an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, 2 megapixel depth sensor, and another 2 megapixel sensor. Front sensor is a 16 megapixel sensor. Aperture value for the rear camera is f1.7, and front camera it's f2.0. That's the aperture value of the Oppo A52. Now next, let's set this up. So you can see that this comes with a punch hole camera, and we have USB Type-C port, 3.5mm audio jack, and the speaker unit at the bottom section. The left side houses the SIM tray, and we have the volume rocker keys. The right side houses the power button, and the fingerprint sensor is integrated onto this button. So you can see that the integrated fingerprint sensor, and the top panel does not have any openings or slots. So that's the Oppo A52. So you can see that the back panel is made of plastic material, but it's given a glossy finish altogether. So you can also see the Oppo branding, and this is the AI quad cameras. So let's just boot the device. So now we have set up the device. You can see here 6.5 inches full HD plus resolution display. It comes with ColorOS 7.1, and this has Android 10 update. So ColorOS 7 is the latest version. You can see that the UI is much cleaner now. It does come with some additional tools and apps pre-installed. You can see some apps are pre-installed, but otherwise it's a clean UI. Now let's have a look at the settings. You can see that this is the settings panel, and let's see, you can see that the dark mode is available. So that's the dark mode included here. Then other features also included here. So these are the options available in the UI. So you can see that app cloner, game space, so then additional options, convenience tools, fingerprint sensor, and all the options are included. So that's the software. So it runs on the latest Android version. So about phone, you can see all the details here. ColorOS version 7.1, Qualcomm 665, 6 gigs of RAM, and 128 gigs of storage, and Android 10. So that's the device. So that's the Oppo A52. Now next, let's have a look at the other aspects. So this device feels quite good in hands. It's definitely a thicker device, but still for the price segment it is definitely good. Processor also is quite a decent one. You also get a full HD plus resolution display, and the fingerprint sensor is on the side panel. So again, that's more or less like what the competition is offering. So that's the device. Now next, let's have a look at the camera. So this is the camera UI, and you can have a look at the camera UI. So you can see that photo, video, night mode is included, HDR, portrait mode, and a whole lot of options are included. Then let's go to the video recording, and let's see the video size. So 4K is supported on this device, so that's something which is good. So 4K support is available, and 1080p resolution is also included. Night mode is also included. So here are some camera samples we have taken with the Oppo A52. We'll be doing the detailed camera review later, so stay tuned for that. Now that phone also comes with a 5000 mAh capacity battery, which should be able to do good performance, and on top of that it also has an 18-watt fast charger. So we'll be doing all those tests, we'll be comparing with other smartphones, so stay tuned for that. So this device is priced 16,999 or 16,990, that's 17K, and comes with quite good hardware. It's available in offline stores as well. So Oppo has done quite good job with the device, so we'll be doing the detailed review as well. So that's it for this video. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.